Hello everybody, and I am Fadali, and this video is about how to delete the existing data from your table. Okay, in the last video we have learned about how can we update the data, but in this video we'll be learning about how can we delete the data from our table. So now first I have to select the table first. I want to select EMP. Alright, now I want to delete the data. To delete the data you have to write the delete from. Now you have to write the name of the table. Okay, done. Now you have to use the where clause. Okay, now you have to give the value which you want to delete or the row which you want to delete. Okay, so now here I want to delete ID number 6. All right, it will delete this row, the 6th row. Select. After that you want to be able to see the ID number 6. All right. Okay, now you can see that I have deleted the ID number 6 successfully. Now you can see that we have the 7 IDs, so I just want to delete the 7 for now. So we write the 7, or you can also go with the Khan thing as well. Now I just want to delete the where the last name is. Okay, so this will also do the same job for you. Now you can see that we don't have any column with the Khan in the last name. So this is how you can delete the element from your table. This is how you can delete the data from your table. But if you want to delete all the data from the table, not the table, just the data from the table. Okay, so there is a difference. If you just remove the where clause from your table, it will delete all the data, but it won't delete the table. This is how it will work. Now you can see that your table is empty now, but it does still exist. Alright, so this is all for this video. If you really find this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.